Namaskar kids. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Myself Kavita Krishnani. I am taking GK subject in UKG. Welcome to our New Era Global School. Now kids, today's our discussion about topic is transportation, right? How many type of transportation? How many type of transportation? Mainly 3 type of transportation: land transportation, water transportation, and air transportation, right? So first we will take transportation of land transportation. What is the land transportation, kids? So we will discuss about land transportation. Land transportation means of transportation that move on land. Land transport is the transport or the movement of people, animal and goods from one place to another on land. So let us example see on the land. Yes, very good. Kids, which vehicle is this? Bicycle. What is the spelling of bicycle? Now kids, we can see many vehicles on the road such as bicycles, auto rickshaw and truck, lorry, ambulance, etc. Right? So our first picture is bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Now next, A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-O-A-W. Auto rickshaw. Now our next, B-U-S. We have to go school in the bus. B-U-S. Bus. Now our next, T-R-U-C-K. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Now our next spelling is and next vehicle is motorcycle. M-O-T-O-R-C-Y-C-L-E. Motorcycle. Now our next vehicle is scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. Now next, L-O-R-R-Y. Lorry. L-O-R-R-Y. Lorry. Now next, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E. Ambulance. Now next, police. Fire engine. F-I-R-E-E-N-G-I-N-E. Fire engine. Now next, police car. P-O-L-I-C-E. C-A-R. Police car. Now kids, now our next, which vehicle is this? Train is a means of transport on land. It's run on a track. It is most popular means of transport, and train is in charge of an engine driver, right? Now our next transport is air transport. Which transport? Air transport. Air transport is that move in the air. Movement of people or goods from one place to another through air. Air transport is the fastest and expensive means of transport. It is the air transport. So we will discuss about, first we will take on air transport, aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. aeroplane. Now our next helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. Now next glider, 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 glider. Now our next hot air balloon, hot, hot air, BALLOON, hot air balloon. Now our next thought transport is water transport. So we will discuss about water transport. Water transport means of transportation that moves on water. Water transport is the transport or movement of people or goods from one place to another place through water. Water transport is the cheapest means of the transport, but it is very time consuming. This is called water transport, right? Now our first water transport is, which transport is this? Boat. Which vehicle is this? Boat, BOAT, boat. Now our next SHIP, ship. SHIP, ship. Now yacht, 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 yacht. Now our next submarine, SUBMARINE, submarine. Now we discuss about use of animals for transport. Use of animals for transport. Use of animals for transport. In olden days, animals were used as a means of transport, such as bullock cart and horse cart. Bullock cart and horse cart is a horse cart. In desert camel who use as a transport, and donkey was also used to carry people and goods. Now kids, discuss about some question answers, right? We will take some question answers. So first question is, which is the fastest means of transport? Which is the fastest means of transport? Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Now our next question is, name to land transport. Name to land transport. Truck and jeep is a land transport. Truck and jeep are land transport, isn't it? Right? Now our next question is, name to water transport. Name to water transport. Ship and boat are water transport. We can travel on water by a ship or boat, and small boat used by fishermen to catch fish, right? And then our next question is, name to air transport. Name to air transport. Helicopter and aeroplanes are air transport. Now our next question, number 5, name two-wheeler transport. Name two-wheeler transport. Bicycle and scooter. bicycle and scooter. On which transport do you come to school? On which transport do you come to school? On a van or bus, right? Now our next question, number 7 is, what does red light say? Red light say stop. Red light say to stop. Now our question number 8. What does green light say? What does green light say? Green light says to go. Green light says to go. Now our next question number 9. What does yellow light say? Yellow light say to get ready. Yellow light say to get ready. Now our next question number 10. Where should we walk on the road? Where should we walk on the road? On the footpath. On the footpath. So kids, I hope you understand all with 3 means of transport, right? Air, water and land. So thank you. Have a nice day.